can say with confidence that if you really like English toffee in the Cafe Collection by Belle Tress, you're gonna love the Mocha Maple Brown. They share a similar color code, which is a 627. Neither are rooted. So you're gonna see a base color of a deep, kind of a medium to dark chocolate brown, and then it's going to be loaded with these highlights of a light auburn. And in sometimes and in places, you're going to see that that light auburn does turn a little coppery. Therefore, this color is a warm brunette overall. So this is a 627 on the Mocha Maple Brown. It's a 627 on English Toffee. So let's go ahead and do a side by side.